Ewomitaebe abu Enginia oriokot itolitolo isirigini milionini tomonauni chunyakiuni lu abeitor akorior erotolo adamasiko kotemlale kosodi oede da aitolior isirigini milionini kanyape chunyakikanyare lu abeitor aiduk acholo ni na ikumes ikan kosomerolo olong primary school kolale. Osman Oyoma Apolone Cholongelo Sisirila le ngesia balaebe etemonokite district sirigini milioni ni kanyi kichwinya kiwongon Kanu akorior erotolo adamasiko konye abu Enginia oriokoto kotacha ke contractor isirigin lu elamara imilioni itemonaka nye uni kichwinya kiuni.
The school is called for Long Primary School. The district allocated money for the construction of a 5-stand speedler tree drainable at 18 million.
But when you check on these BOQs, the rates have been hiked up, the quantities have been reduced to steal the money. So these documents are for you.
Oedelo ngesobuo cham ebe itosomato sikesi sirigini nepeta milioni ni kanyape kichwinya kikanyare lu alacho ni tai Kanu adukyo acholoni na olong primary school konye mam abu itachau ibore itosomato torikesi apia inu.
So the contractor disappeared. So what happened was that there was a balance of 6,723,400 shillings. So this money here, as we had other pressing challenges in the department, so what we decided to do was spend that money. Like we had other retentions.
You have another candidate.
While other
Atupito na Ijiji ane tuinomugisha muhairwe nada ajai o districta aingichi akiro Ecamusana ngesi echorakini arochuniona officers kalu kote rikalo akelo teline ajai kina auriane tuimugisha na ngesabu boboi chora kainyakaro na isirigini nepeta ebilionite diopelo ebe abeitora dukia egoro palo ya piesi ni luko Soroti district konye ebe aponi bobo itapara isirigini ngun ayangare aduke nanu e district laije katine.
So we had received so many complaints and we decided to come to inspect, put face to what we had had. Key was absenteeism of government officials, failure to pay salaries and pension. And now we've also seen what has been in the media district, the district headquarters. Close to 1 billion is going to be returned to the treasury because it couldn't be consumed and yet it was supposed to be used to construct the district. So you have seen the arrest. The district engineer, from what everyone said, has failed the district. For instance, if he had given the right technical advice, then the construction of the district headquarters wouldn't have stalled. He has been arrested. The DEO admitted, we had him, he admitted to having diverted money that was meant for our country. We had to take decisive action at this meeting. But also, we continue to investigate the matters that have been raised, and we're going to continue doing impromptu visits because they yield results.
Kanuka TV is Solomon Neramu, Koibuga, Soroti.